Sri Manache Shlok, Shloka number 59, English translation and explanation. Sri Manache Shlok were written by Samartha Ramdas Swami. They are a dialogue with our mind. Mana kalpana kalpita kalpakoti नभे रे नभे सर्वथा राम भेटी मनी कामना राम नाही जयाला अति आदरे प्रीति नाही तयाला. O my mind, our imaginations have no end. But our imaginations will not lead us to the truth. The one who does not have a desire for Lord Rama in their mind will never have the respect and love for God. Some of the keywords used in this shloka are kalpana means an idea, kalpita means imagine, kalpakoti means millions of eons. Nave means never. Re means dear. Sarvatha means wholly. Kamana means lust. Jayala means to whom. Ati means much. Adare means respect. Preeti means love. Tayala means to him. Kalpa is supposed to be equivalent to the time period between the creation and recreation of the universe. Koti is equivalent to 10 million. Hence, for the purpose of understanding, we can say that Kalpa Koti means infinite. I believe that Samartha Ramdas Swami is referring to it in this shloka as a number rather than the time period. Our mind is capable of imagining numerous ideas, no matter how many infinite numbers of ideas it can create about how God really is. All those will be insufficient to imagine how God is when one will meet Him. In Hinduism, the Upanishads, which are the part of the oldest scriptures, Vedas, there is a famous expression, neti neti, which means not this, not that, which is provided to understand what Brahma is by trying to understand what it is not. No matter what one will imagine, it will not be the Brahman or the Supreme God. God is beyond one's imagination. Samartha Ramdas Swami is using the same in this shloka to explain that no matter how many ideas the mind can imagine about how God is, they all will be wrong. The phrase Navhe Navhe in this shloka to me seems similar to Neti Neti phrase. The one who does not have the desire to meet God cannot have the love, devotion, and respect for God. O my mind, hence first have the love and devotion towards God, then have a strong desire to meet Him for you to even have a remote chance to actually be blessed for God to fulfill your desire. Do not try to imagine how God is, as you will be wasting your time for the entire life in trying to do so and will never be successful in that. मना कल्पना कल्पिता कल्पकोटी नभे रे नभे सर्वथा राम भेटी मनी कामना राम नाही जयाला अति आदरे प्रीति नाही तयाला. Join me in the humble effort of spreading this amazing part of our Maharashtrian culture to the English speaking community in the entire world. Be proud of our culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ.